Hello and welcome to Math Club. This is season 1 of Math Club, question 9. For season 1 of Math Club, we're doing an algebra practice to help you get better at algebra. So just a side note, this is the last question of season 1. We'll be heading to season 2 next week and we'll be doing a different topic. And thank you to everyone who has been sticking around since season 1. And without further ado, I will get into the question. Yep, so this is the question. You might take 5 seconds to read it. Okay, you may pause the video if you need more time. I'll start explaining the question now. And for those people who have been here since season 1, question 1, you may know this is quite a classic algebra question. Right, so first that we'll let Mr. Brown have $4x and his wife have $3x. Why is this so? So that we don't have to deal with decimals, because they're in the ratio of 4:3, and this will make it much easier to calculate. And let's say they'll both of them saved $150 as given in the question. So you know that when you save $150, the rest will be your spendings, or rather your expenditure. And it's an expenditure that is in the ratio 18:13. So we have to find both of their expenditures. Mr. Brown's expenditure will be 4x minus 150 because he saved $150, and his wife's expenditure will be 3x minus 150. So over here we can form an algebraic statement, which is 4x minus 150 is to 3x minus 150 is 18 is to 13, right? And this is where a really important knowledge comes into play, the knowledge of cross multiplication. It's really one of the most important parts of algebra. I've addressed it, I think, in question 7 or 8. So basically, the two middle numbers multiplied together is equals to these two outer ones. In fact, later on, there is a short cross multiplication exercise to help you get much better at cross multiplication, because it's a really important part of algebra. So we can apply the knowledge of cross multiplication. 4x minus 150 bracketed multiplied by 13 equals to 3x minus 450 bracketed multiplied by 18. And we simply have to simplify this. It will become 52x minus 1950 equals to 54x minus 2700. And we can quickly derive that 2x equals to 750, which is 2700 minus 1950, and x is 375. And when you read the question, it is asking the salary of each person. So Mr. Brown will be 4x, and that's 1,500, and his wife will be 3x, which is 1,125. And so now we'll head into the additional practice for cross multiplication. So this is a short segment of practice for cross multiplication. Solve for x. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time, right? Definitely you would, and I'll give you 5 seconds to do that, to pause the video, and I'll start explaining in 5 seconds. Well, I won't exactly give an explanation because I feel that many people have already grasped this knowledge, so I'll just show the answers, right? If you need any explanation, do feel free to email mathclub@gmail.com. It's in the video, it's in the link in the description below. And so thank you for watching Math Club, and we'll see you guys in season 2. Thank you.